All right, in fact, it's just getting worse. Let's get you more reactions. In fact, what we're breaking to you here on Headlines today is what a top police official, the Assam SSP, coming out and adding another twist, another disgrace really to this entire saga, coming out and saying that people in Delhi are overreacting, they're overhyping this entire issue. He's blaming the media for going big with this story, coming out and saying that media in Delhi is overhyping the issue. It's the same incident has been happening in Delhi. There's no action, there's no play up on that. Let's get in more, in fact, on this, and let's get you the reactions that are coming in from our viewers. Every voice matters. That's what we're saying here on Headlines today. Let's speak to Sumit, who's now on the phone line with us. Sumit, we're talking about, you know, this incident that went horribly wrong in Guwahati. People asking for the strictest punishment for the molesters. Complete apathy as well coming in from the police.
Hello?
Yes, Sumit.
Yeah, what I'm fearing that these people who are caught, the culprits, 4 out of 20, what you're saying. So I'm fearing that if they are found to be, the son of a minister or of a higher police authority, so this is what normally is happening in the country at this point of time. There will be escape. Right now, it is a hype in the media. Right now, they are showing that they are taking the action. Later, at a point will come, then they will stop taking the action, and I fear that these people, they will be released. So this is what I'm. My demand is these people, they should be hanged, or at least they should get the life imprisonment.
Sumit, we appreciate you joining us here on the show. That's the thing that even Smriti Irani, BJP leader, has spoken to us about, that people in this country tend to forget previous incidents, which is why perhaps the country doesn't move ahead on issues as basic as this. How is Girija Vyas responding to this issue? Let's get you her reaction on that.
सबसे बड़ी बात तो यह है कि ये घटना ऐसी कि जिसकी जितनी निंदा की जाए, मैं सोचती हूँ कि निंदा शब्द बहुत छोटा पड़ जाता है। रात को जब मुझे इस घटना की पता लगा, तब से मैं सो नहीं पाई और मुझे लगा कि क्या हम 21वीं सदी में हैं, जहां हम बराबरी के दर्जे के साथ राष्ट्रपति के पद पर तो बैठ सकते हैं, लेकिन आज भी हमारी स्थिति वो है कि जो भी राह चलता हुआ वो कभी भी छेड़ते और कभी भी हमारे अस्पताल पर छेड़ करता है।
Alright, so the former NCW chief is also disturbed, but the question is, what are people doing about this? How are they going to address this situation? We're inviting your opinions on this horrific story, this disgraceful story. Let's also speak to S.K. Maheshwari, who's now on the phone line with us from Delhi. Mr. Maheshwari, your thoughts to this entire disgrace, an incident that's got disgrace upon the entire country.
It's very pathetic to see all this. These boys must be put it on their black face, and they must be put it on the dogs. They must be naked, run, and police must beat them in front of the public.
Mr. Maheshwari, appreciate you joining us with your thoughts on this entire issue that Headlines today is getting across, is beaming to our viewers right now.